Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Acura MDX versus Hyundai Palisade. We'll explore their key differences, helping you decide which SUV best fits your lifestyle and needs. We'll cover everything from performance and interior comfort to safety features and overall value. Get ready for a detailed breakdown to guide your next vehicle purchase. When it comes to performance, both SUVs offer robust V6 engines. The MDX provides a more dynamic and athletic driving feel, often preferred by those who enjoy a spirited ride. The Palisade, while powerful, focuses more on a smooth and comfortable journey, making it ideal for long family trips. Consider your driving style when choosing between these two capable vehicles. Inside, the MDX emphasizes luxury with high-quality materials and a sophisticated cabin design. Its infotainment system is intuitive, offering a premium user experience. The Palisade excels in practicality, providing ample room for passengers in all 3 rows and substantial cargo capacity. Both SUVs come equipped with modern technology and safety features to enhance your driving experience. For overall value, the Palisade often presents a more budget-friendly option without compromising on essential features or comfort. The MDX starts around $53,150, while the Palisade begins at approximately $41,035. Both the MDX and Palisade are recognized for their strong safety performance, providing peace of mind for you and your family. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.